Okay, here we go. Now, for us today, like I said, I'm going to try to post these solutions again so you can double check yourself. All right, last time I forgot. All right, just the end of the day, I have so much going on, I sometimes forget. All right, if I forget and they're not posted, anybody can email me. I literally check my email probably every hour until about 9 or 10 o'clock. Right, just in case you need something. If I don't remember to post them, if you email me, say, hey, what's up with the solutions, I can post them. It just takes a couple seconds to post. All right, so if you're ever unsure about something, speak up. Also, the video of all of the what? Odds is on the other class. So if you want to check your work and you're not sure about something, listen to the other class. Listen to the explanations and follow along. All right? Now, again, I'm trying to get you to think ahead 2 days. Thomas, come on. I really want you to concentrate today. Biesel, you are so smart that you have the ability to learn this today and be ready for the quiz on Friday. You hear me? If you come tomorrow, you'll be ready. All right? Then all your makeup work will be ready and done. You hear me? All right, let's go. Get started. Number 2. All right? What we want to do is we want to plot the point 0, -3. All right, now I'm going to plot. Notice there's 8 questions and 4 graphs. So we're plotting 2 on each graph. Does everybody agree? All right, so I'm now going to plot the second point on the first graph. 0, -3. So I'm going to plot the point 0, -3. Make sure you're with me. There's 0, -3. And then 2, 1 is right here. And now I'm going to draw that line. Remember, slope was defined as what over what? Someone tell me. It was the latent.
Rise over run.
Rise over run. Change in y over change in x. Delta y over delta x. Lots of different words for slope. All right, so we got to figure out how I got from one point to the other. And I always say start at the leftmost point. So if I start at the leftmost point, now come on. Eyes up. Bless you. This is called what?
Rise.
That's the rise. Thank you very much. How much did I rise?
4.
4. And then I ran how much?
2.
2. Can you guys see that? Not very good. 2. Now remember, this is delta y. This is delta x. All right? So your slope is what? Slope is equal to
4 over 2.
4 over 2. Rise over run, remember? And then you reduce it. Thank you very much. Which is 2. So we say the slope was 2 on that. Anybody have any issues? Any issues? Number 2 is a what?
I know.
Number 2 is a what? Even. Lisa, you're going to try to say something? Go ahead.
Why do you
Because that's what slope is. Slope is the ratio of rise over run. Good job. Thank you. Go.
do we have to graph
Yes, that's what the whole point is. Yes, you're graphing it. All right, you're graphing it. There's several ways of figuring it out. On the review tomorrow, I'll have graph. Well, you'll see at the bottom here, there's actually just lines that are already graphed. You have to figure it out. Or I'm just practicing plotting points and drawing it. That's what you're doing. Okay? All right, so plot those points for me. Back to the top. All right, here we go. All right, number 4. All right, I'm on 0, 3. So I've got to plot the point 0, 3. 0, 3 is right here. And then I got to plot the point 4, 1. Goes here. Now I'm graphing this line. Everybody see that? Anybody have a problem with the black line right now? Now let's figure out what the slope is. So I'm going to come over here and change my color. So I went what? To what? Down, which is negative 2. Then I went over how many? Yeah, 4, right? So that was 4, and this right here was 2. But don't forget it's negative 2. So the slope for that line is what? Negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1/2. All right, thank you, Mia. Go. Usually not, but yes, it can if you go in the wrong direction. All right, but I like to remember going up the mountain is positive, coming down the mountain is negative. And you don't have to worry about it. Good for you.
Why didn't you do it on the other side? Because you went down right, but I thought you would go like up and to the left.
If you go up and to the left, that's what we talked about yesterday. Up is positive, left is what? It's the same thing. Up is positive, that's what we're talking about, Mia. Up is positive, left is negative. Like if I accidentally did this, she's saying, well, I went this way and then I went this way. Why is it different? There you go. That's the answer. Beautiful. What?
Why? So like, how do you figure out which one's like the denominator and which one's the?
Rise is the numerator. The run is the denominator. The change in y is the numerator. The change in x is the denominator. Rise over run. Super, super important. All right? So now I'm on 6. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cross. No, I don't want to cross that out. All right, so number 6. Here we go. 0, negative 3. Right here. And then 3, negative 1. Right there. Okay. Who can tell me what the rise was? Is everybody okay with rise is 2? What's the run? Is that right? 3? Don't take her word for it now. Is that right? 2 over 3. You good? Noah, you know? Thomas, are you in the game or not? Thank you, Thomas. Anybody else that has a problem with 2 over 3? Jack, you in the game? Hubble, you in the game? All right, so let's check out 8 now. Let's do 0, 4. Right up here. And then 2, negative 6. Way down here. I'm going to graph this. Good for you, Thomas. Tell me what? I did 2 over 3. You can leave it as a fraction. Is that what you're asking me, Thomas? Yeah. You leave it as a fraction. Good question, Thomas. Leave it as a fraction. All right, I need help with number 8 now. Now, is it positive or negative? What is it? What is it? Positive or negative? Definitely negative because we're going down the mountain, right? Negative. All right, Chloe, what?
So the rise is 10.
You're right. So we would say negative 10 because we're going down 10, right? And then we went over how many?
2.
2. So my slope is?
So the slope is negative.
Yes. Again, there's nothing for me to do, guys.
Hey, yeah, I thought it was left. It was negative.
We went to the right, though, didn't we? Because watch. You watch. See if you're following me.
Oh, okay.
See, I'm going down, right? Then I'm going to the right.
Yeah.
Good.
Is the sign for slope just 10?
Yes, the letter. M is the letter. Kind of weird, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know why. I told the kids yesterday I have no idea why they decided to make M the slope. All right, anybody else? All right, let's go to the next page. All right, now I need you guys. Formula time. This is all it is. If you're given 2 points, you really don't need to graph it if you know the what? Formula. And the formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's what the formula is. All right? So now we're going down the page. Number 2. We're going to start with Miss Pliego. All right? And you're going to read me the numbers. All right? And you're going to tell me what the answer is. Go. M equals.
9, 3,
Good.
over 3 plus 5.
Yes, ma'am. Are you allowed to do the first minus the second? Absolutely. Can you do the second minus the first? Yes. Will you get the same answer? Yes, always. It doesn't matter. I think it's smart to try to make sure it's positive. Okay? So that's good. So give me the final answer, which reduces to? Beautiful. 3 over 4. All right, right here. Let's go. You're on number 4. Just going around the room. If you don't know something, speak up.
M equals y2 minus y1.
Just tell me what the numbers are.
So it would be
I want the numbers.
7
Yes, 7
minus 7
over,
over 5 minus 2.
and what is that?
It's 3 over 0.
What is it?
No, sorry, 0 over 3.
0 over 3, which means the slope is? No, 0. 0 over anything is 0. 0 over anything is 0. What?
On the last one, it doesn't matter.
No, makes no difference. If you go 3 minus 9, you get negative 6.
Yeah,
If you go negative 5 minus 3, you get negative 8.
so the negatives and positives.
They cancel. Negative divided by a negative is a positive, right?
Yeah, but we get 3 plus 5. So how would you be negative?
Well, if you do this, buddy, please watch. If you do it back in the reverse order, if you do 3 minus 9, negative 5 minus 3,
Oh, I see.
negative 6 over negative 8, right now? Okay. Number 6, go.
Do 5 minus
Don't say 5 minus negative 3 anymore. Just say 5 plus 3. We know that. 5 plus 3 over
2 plus 6
equals
1.
beautiful. Number 8. Now remember what I'm saying, guys. I don't like you writing down my answers. I like you double checking your work with my work. And then asking.
Why do you change the negatives to a positive?
Because it's minus, right? It is, bless you, it is 5 minus negative 3.
Oh.
Good. Now you learned something. Keep going now. All right? Noah, go.
2 minus
2 minus what?
or 2 minus negative 3.
Good. And 2 minus negative 3 is?
Negative 5.
No. Well, the 2 negatives change it to a what? Right. So I'm going to write that, just what you said. You said 2 minus negative 3. You understand me? So that's a what? So the double negative, yes. So it makes it positive. You with me? All right, over. Now go with the next one.
Negative 1 minus 0.
So now I have
5 over negative 12.
exactly right. Now most of the time we just say negative 5/4. You with me? All right, now keep going. Keep practicing. What?
So how do you just which one is the x2 and the x1?
Doesn't matter. This is the first point. That's why we call it x1. This is the second.
Okay.
That's the first y. This is the second y, second x, and second y. That's what they're talking about. But it doesn't matter really what order you do. No. All right, Thomas, help me out, buddy. You're up now. Come on.
So it's 8 minus 6 over -5 plus 10.
Wow, good job, Thomas. Thank you. Go.
Equals 2 over 5.
You're awesome, buddy. Thank you very much. 2 over 5. Very good. Diesel, you ready? You think you're with me?
Would it be L equals 4 over 5?
But I want I want you to tell me how to do it.
You do 0 plus 12.
0 plus 12.
Divided by 13 plus 2.
Good.
And then you get 12 over 15.
Which is?
4 over 5.
Thank you. Very good work. Very good.
You get like the other way, like 13 plus 2.
Yes. But say it again.
Do you like
No. 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 It's y's minus x's. The y's go on top. The x's go on the bottom. You have to do y's first. That's what we're telling you every single time. That's a big mistake. You have to do what first? Look at the formula. What is it telling you to do first? Yes, come on. You can follow directions. That's just plugging numbers in. What?
So I thought it was only you would change it to addition if it was like together, like 12 minus, like 2 minus -3.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Like, you like change it to
Which one are you worried about?
12. You change it to addition, but I thought it was subtraction. But I don't understand why you change it to addition.
If he went this way, you went what? Right? Now you learned it doesn't matter as long as you stay consistent. You understand me? All right. Jack, go.
Alright, so the n is equal to 8 minus 8 over -13 minus 21. And that would equal -16 over.
What?
Oh, 0 over -34.
Which is?
34. Or 0.
What is it? 0 or 34?
0.
0. Good. Slope is 0. When the numerator is 0, it is a horizontal line. When the denominator is 0, it's a vertical line. All right, Miss Hulsman, you're up. Let's go. Hold up, hold up. Noah, good for you.
Yesterday, where did you say it was the vertical line?
Vertical line is if the 0 is in the denominator. And we'll get to those. All right, vertical is undefined. Think about a skiing. You can't ski on that slope. All right, this is slope is 0. All right, Miss Hulsman, you're up. Go.
It's n equals 9 minus 5 over 8 minus 2 is 12.
Good job, kiddo. 2/3. You're up.
It's 0 minus 3.
Are you kidding me?
Oh,
What are we doing first?
that's good.
Oh, you're lucky. You were right. Say it again. Sorry.
0 minus 3 over 3 plus 2.
Good job. Yeah.
So it's -3 over 5.
Yay, -3/5. Easy. Good job. Okay. Easy. Do you agree? Very simple. All right, Aiden, let's hear you.
-4 plus
plus 2, so.
Mm.
And then
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Easy, easy. Sorry, guys, I'll move it up. See it? Everybody good? All right, next.
you do 11 minus 5, and then 11 minus 2, and that's 6 over 9, and then you do 62.
Beautiful. Next.
Cool.
Oh, okay. Slope is equal to 1 plus 1 over 13 minus 3 equals 2 over 10, which is equivalent to 1/5.
Good. Good, good, good. All right, next.
2 plus 7. And that'll be 5 minus 4.
Okay, Noah.
Oh, I don't have a question.
Wait,
Wait a minute.
7.
Yeah,
Would it be 2 plus 4?
Thanks. Wow.
It wouldn't even be 2 plus
Maybe 2
4.
minus
What are we
2
doing
minus
on?
4,
Yeah.
and then 5
What
minus
are we
7.
doing here? You're making me look bad. Oh man, Coleman.
5 minus 2
Jeez.
minus 7. And so it's
Wow. Let's hold up. I'm gonna stop. We're gonna have to go back and cut that out. I don't think I've ever heard Coleman give me a wrong.
Over 13.
I had never heard Coleman give me a wrong answer before. Let's start over, Coleman. Let's pretend like that never happened.
minus 4.
What?
4 minus 2.
What are we doing here? Just say it again. I didn't hear you.
4 minus 2.
4 minus 2.
What did it be? 2 minus
Shh. Over.
4? It doesn't matter. Okay, over 7 plus 5.
Is it negative? What?
Think about
4 minus 2.
Yes.
And then isn't the 7 negative?
Yeah, but I'll probably.
Yeah, he's right.
Yeah.
He's not.
Not if he starts at 4 and goes to 2.
I thought it was 2 minus
You can either write 4 minus 2 and negative 7 minus 5, or you can write it as 2 minus 4 over 5 plus 7. That's the only combination you can do. You can't go in opposite directions.
I know, but I'm thinking.
Shh. That's all. You understand me now, right? All right, and just review this just to make sure. So this would be 2 over negative 12, but this would be 2 over positive 12. So now you're supposed to see it doesn't matter how you do it, you're going to get the same answer, which in this case was negative 1/6. Feels good. Finally get one right. All right, here we go. 28, which brings me to Leighton. 28. Tell me what the slope is on 28, please.
Alright,
What do I do?
would I just tell you the point?
Yeah, no, you just tell me. I went from this point right here to this point right here. What did I do? I went what?
So, it's 3.
Went down 1, 2, 3. Now, is that positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 3 over,
1.
yes, negative 3 over 1, which is negative 3. Beautiful. All right. Yes, ma'am. What's the slope of a horizontal line? Now listen to me. Did we rise at all here? So that means 0. And 0 over anything is what? That's why we knew the slope was 0. Or I just want you to remember, horizontal line, slope is 0. Vertical line, undefined. All right? Carly, you're up. M equals, shh. Up 1. Let me see. Up 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 8 to me. Be careful. Be careful. All right. That's what I'm saying. All right. Ian finishes off. Hold on. Hold on. Go. Shh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Is it wrong to be fine on screen?
No, it's not wrong. You can do that way. Right? But
Yeah.
it just takes longer. You know what I mean? You just look at it. Rise. How much I go up and over. All right, Ian. So now we're picking these 2 points right here, right?
Oh, that's.
Yeah.
I couldn't.
These 2 points right here and right here. Where am I going? What am I doing?
You go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good.
Over 1.
How many?
Over 1.
Yes. That's exactly right. Slope is 5. Slope is 5. Good. So, all right. Listen, your job tonight, go through and just finish off the what? Odds. All right. If you're not 100% sure, then you can look up on the video. All right. I'll try to post it right now, but I want to give you back your homework also. Listen, I want you quiet. I want you to get busy. Try to get it done. I know some of you guys, you know, you try to work too fast. All right. Double check things. And then tomorrow we'll come in here and we'll get busy right away also. You'll turn in that work right away because we got a review. Only 1 day of review, not 2 this time.
We're gonna stop like
We're going to